Hello, I'm Caro Overy, Green Arts Manager for Creative Carbon Scotland, and I'm looking forward to sharing an Introduction to Climate Action workshop for Motorvilla on 12th of November. We'll be looking at how environmental action and climate justice come to life in the context of cultural work. We'll cover how to take your first steps to tackle your greenhouse gas emissions and how you might adapt to the impacts of climate change. We'll also cover how you can collaborate with others and use your influence with audiences and communities to engage with the climate emergency in a way that's useful for everyone. We'll demonstrate some examples of creative climate action through case studies, and there'll be an opportunity to work through your own sustainability journey, sharing your experience and ideas wherever you are with it. At Creative Carbon Scotland, we've been working in this area for more than a decade and are grateful for this opportunity to share our learning. You can register for the workshop with Motorvilla, and I look forward to meeting you online on 12th of November.